One Take Gang gets the next level. This is a one take ass song.
We haven't been walking very long. We're already really cold. Yeah. This is a blizzard out here. And we've still got a lot of time to hike up. And this is gonna be tough, but it should make for a fun day.
Get some chickadees.
Yeah.
Take some back. Try some.
Look at this, everybody. This hike is super tough in the snow. But we're doing it. We're going to an alpine lake. We're catching these brookies. We're doing this. So we should be at the little lake in a little bit. Lucas said we're about 60% there. So we'll get back to you. We're here. Geez, that was tough. It's a long hike. First fish of mine, big brookie. I just got another one.
Holy crap.
Sick. It's really windy, but we've managed to get a few fish. We're having fun out here. It's a little tough. No, big? Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Look at that thing!
Look how big that is.
Dude!
Oh my gosh, that's a keeper.
That's a tank. We're keeping that for sure.
No.
What? I got it. That's right. Got him. Oh no! Come on, dude. Got him. Little dude. Pretty fish though. Here goes this little dude. Got him. Nice one.
I take pride in beating.
Pretty one.
What? Or should I try?
Pretty. Yeah.
I have a big streamer in mine.
Oh, got him. He's a small bread. Doesn't. No, there he goes. Oh, actually, that's right. Lucas on. That's a keeper, huh? Oh, it's starting to snow.
There's something bad is about to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't wanna leave me. Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me. I belong with you. Only
Oh my goodness! Dude, he just ran right in front of me. Oh, and he's off.
Something bad is about to happen to me. Why I feel this way, I don't know, baby.
Okay, there he goes.
I think of her so much.
I'm getting hailed on!
Crazy. I just
Oh my God.
don't
Guys, this is crazy.
Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me. I belong with you.
Sinks the bottom. Oh, dude, I just missed one right here. He smacked it.
Darling, only you.
Got him. We got like 5 minutes. You see him? I'm gonna try and get one. Oh yeah, I see him. I see him. See you, Alpine Lake.
First things first, rest in peace, sucker.